Hi, my name's Alan Wallace with Local Republic TV. Today we're here with Chris Davis, an expert insurance agent, to help us find our way in these new times with Obamacare. Chris, welcome.
Hi, Alan. Thanks for having me.
No problem, man. We're excited to have you here. So we're just gonna I guess, jump off the beginning. If I'm gonna look for an insurance agent, a health insurance agent, to help me figure out what to do with Obamacare coming on October 1st, what should I be doing, Chris?
Well, first of all, a licensed health insurance agent is going to be able to tell you a few things that are true, and one of them is about Obamacare. The actual law started out to be called Obamacare, and then inside of that law they started talking about exchanges, and then the exchanges have now migrated to the marketplace. So it will be finally called the marketplace.
Excellent. Okay, so in the marketplace, what if I'm looking for health insurance that'll help me, or get me through this new marketplace. Looking for an agent, Chris, what should I be looking for?
Well, I would try to find somebody who has a good reputation, maybe somebody who has good reviews online, somebody who has good experience, maybe been in the field for a while, because you want to have somebody that knows what he's talking about or she's talking about. The quality of service is very important too. You want to make sure that the customers understand what the agent's saying, and that you actually, if you feel good with that agent, it's probably the most important part.
Excellent. So basically, I'm going to start online. I'm going to look for some people, some health insurance agents that have a great reputation online. Maybe call them up, find out what their experience is, how many years they've been doing it, and then based on that interaction, if we built rapport and I'm comfortable, they're available for my questions, I'd keep doing business with them.
Yep.
So let me turn this around on you, Chris. If I'm going to call you, well, what kind of experience am I going to have with you?
Well, first of all, I can lead you through understanding what you would qualify for as far as a subsidy goes, because with the marketplace, you will actually qualify for some level of subsidy, or you may not qualify for a subsidy. Once we know what that subsidy level is, then we can direct you to the right plans, and there are multiple carriers and multiple plans on the marketplace, and only a licensed health insurance agent can give you that advice.
Excellent. So for anybody who's looking to call you, can you give us some kind of enticement? I mean, why should I call you? Obviously, you have the experience. I mean, I've worked with you already, and I feel that we built a great rapport. You've been very available. Give me one more thing. Give me a special offer. Give me something that I can do that will really get me to call you, like, right now.
Well, if I was anybody right now, I would be looking to find out what my subsidy is. And what do I qualify as far as the subsidy goes moving forward, because health insurance will be based upon that decision as to what level of subsidy you're going to get, if you get a subsidy at all. Once we have that dialed in, and I can give you a free analysis to calculate actually what your subsidy will be, then we can choose the proper plan for you moving forward.
That's excellent, Chris. So I appreciate that, and you've all heard Chris is willing to give you a Obamacare or a marketplace subsidy analysis. If you give him a call, and you can find him at 800-429-4914 or at nextmedplan.com. Thanks, Chris, for being on with us. We'll see you next time.
Thanks, Alan.